Hello, I am Daedren and welcome to E-Prime. Rapper Cardi B pays homage to dancehall culture with her Passa Passa birthday party held last night. The star-studded event saw A-list celebrities Tiana Taylor, 2 Chainz, Lizzo, Snoop Dogg, Taraji P. Henson, Chance the Rapper, Winnie Harlow, Karrueche Trans at River Studio in Los Angeles, all uniquely dressed in their dancehall-inspired looks. The Passa Passa party also featured Jamaican dancehall acts Spice, Shensia, Ding Dong, and DJs from Chromatic. Cardi B has always shown her love for dancehall music. The rapper has often shared videos listening to various dancehall songs and reggae artists. Back in 2017, Cardi B traveled to Jamaica where she shot the music video for her single dubbed Sooner in Portland. Dancehall artist Dexter Daps is back on the charts with his Vent Deluxe album. The project has entered the US current reggae albums chart at number 7. The 32-track album was released on September 30 through Dexter Daps Music Group. Now the album features songs like Pressure featuring Pressure Busspipe, Just a Life Go with Marlon Asher, Call Me If the Remix with Louis Culture and Tory Lanez, Wi-Fi with American rapper and producer Drummer Boy, and Scripture with Afrobeat star Davido. The original Vent album was released in 2020 and has 16 songs and peaked at number 10 on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart. Now, on the international scene, rapper Kanye West is expanding his empire and has filed a trademark for the brand Donda to cover a line of tech products. The planned tech line will feature tablet computers, audio speakers, surround sound systems, smart watches, and smart glasses. West also plans to put Donda on jewelry like smart rings. The news comes on the heels of paperwork signed to put his name on a slew of homeware products. Now, the Chicago rapper has committed to keeping his mother's name alive through his various creative projects. Kanye West has also opened an academy named after his late mother, Dr. Donda West, a former professor and English department chair at Chicago State University. Donda Academy's website says the school's mission is to prepare students to become the next generation of leaders, thinkers, and innovators by providing them with a world-class education that includes a rigorous core curriculum and an emphasis on sustainability, creativity, critical thinking, and problem solving. I am Daedren reporting for E-Prime.